In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a bill in Xero. Copying a bill is a quick way to create a new bill based on an existing one, perfect for regular expenses like subscriptions, utilities, or recurring supplier charges. Let's walk through it together so you can save time and keep your records consistent. Start on your Xero dashboard and head into the Purchases area. From there, open Bills. This is where you'll see all your supplier bills organized by status. To make copying easy, switch to the Awaiting Payment view. This list shows bills that are already approved and ready to be paid, which makes them great templates because the details are typically complete and accurate. Find the bill you want to reuse and open it. Take a quick glance to make sure it's the right one. Check the supplier, the line items, and the totals so you know you're starting from a solid reference. At the top of the bill, look for the Bill Options menu. Click it, then choose Copy. Xero will create a new bill that mirrors the original, including the supplier, items, account codes, tax settings, and descriptions. This saves you from retyping and helps maintain consistent coding. Now you're working on the new copy. First, confirm the From field shows the correct supplier. If you're reusing the structure for a different vendor, you can switch the supplier here so the bill goes to the right contact record. Next, set the date. Use the invoice date you want this new bill to reflect, typically the current billing period, then enter the due date. Align this with your supplier's payment terms or your internal schedule so it appears in the right place on your payables timeline. Before you finalize, take a moment to sanity check the copied details. Make sure quantities, prices, account codes, and tax rates still apply, and update any notes to reflect the new period. Small tweaks now prevent reconciliation issues later. When everything looks correct, click Approve. Approving moves the bill into your payables workflow, so it appears in Awaiting Payment and can be scheduled, batched, and reconciled against your bank transactions. That's it. You've copied and approved a bill in just a few clicks. Use this approach whenever you have repeatable expenses. It keeps your coding consistent, reduces data entry errors, and speeds up month-end processing. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, keep using bill copies to streamline your accounts payable in Xero.